Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The World Health Organization, WHO, in Delta State and the State Primary Health Care Development Agency have called on the wife of the Delta State Governor, Deaconess Oborevwori, to champion the campaign for 6 months maternity leave policy for nursing mothers in the state. The representative of WHO and the team from the Primary Health Care Development Agency in the state made the call when they met with the state's First Lady recently at Government House, Asaba.
Receiving the delegation from the World Health Organization and the management team of the Delta State Primary Healthcare Development Agency in our office recently at the Government House, Asaba, Deaconess Oborevwori stated her commitment to improving the healthcare and well-being of Deltans, which she said is at the core of what her charity organization, the UMATA Charity Foundation, hopes to achieve.
Healthcare accessibility, improving access to quality healthcare, promoting preventive measures, and addressing prevalent health issues.
The Delta State Coordinator of WHO, Dr. Faith Ireye, and her counterpart, Mr. Emokinowo Itobore, Director of Administration in the State Primary Healthcare Agency, who spoke on behalf of the Permanent Secretary, Dr. Winful Orioko, while stating the importance of exclusive breastfeeding, solicited the help of the governor's wife towards the actualization of 6-month maternity leave policy for nursing mothers in the state.
For you to help us champion the cause for a 6-month maternity leave period for nursing mothers, to enable them have that 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding, which has been recommended both by the State Committee for Food and Nutrition and indeed all world bodies.
Only 34% of children 0 to 6 months are exclusively breastfed. When they are well breastfed, nutritionally they are okay. So by the time they start eating the normal food, complementary food, they grow well.
Responding, Deaconess Oborevwori expressed her support for both the 6-month maternity leave policy and exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months.
Our children, our treasures, and I wholeheartedly support this advocacy of 6 months maternity leave policy for breastfeeding.
In recognition of the Delta State First Lady's passion and commitment to the well-being of Deltans, the delegation honored her with the position of Immunization and Nutrition Ambassador in the state. They also sought her support for the scheduled activities of the Primary Healthcare Development Agency in the state, which includes the response towards the outbreak of polio and deworming program for school children across the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,